And we're live.
Yeah.
Woo!
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know what that was, but I liked it. Good morning, everybody.
Upton Funko up. I'm still standing.
Yeah. All right, thanks for the
I'm
hug.
still standing.
See how it makes it a little bit shaky, though, when you hug me. I love your
I'm
hugs.
still
Always funny.
standing. Look at my shirt.
What does it say on it?
Party animal. Look.
Party
It's
animal.
Moo.
Moo. Moo.
But this real video is about school.
It is about school. That is a good point. Let's get to it. So yesterday was Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. So if yesterday was the first one, what do you think the number is for today?
2.
That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Might not be easy for everybody, but I think it was pretty easy for us. That's a little crooked. That's okay. This is like a visual representation of how I'm doing. How about you? Oh boy.
I think I can
So
fix it.
that's all right. I'll fix it after. So that means today
I
is
fixed it.
great. Today is Thursday,
Okay.
April 2nd. Don't hang on my arm, please. 2020. The season is still spring. It should be for a while. And if today is 2, that is the number 2.
3.
What else needs to be 2? Today's number. Will you do me a favor and please take the cap off of that marker? Do you want to try writing the 2 today?
Yeah.
Great. That is a beautiful 2. Got a little bit wild at the bottom, but that's pretty good. So today's number is 2. I'll have the marker now. Now we get to learn a little bit about tally marks. So I did mention, sorry it's so shaky, guys. I did mention that...
Tally marks?
I'm actually trying to say that. Don't lean on me. Thank you. Much appreciated. So tally marks are a cool way to count and keep track of how you're counting. So we did a tally mark for 1 yesterday, which looks like a 1, so it's a little confusing. Please put the book away for now. 2 tally marks looks like this. Boop. Bud, that made the screen really blurry. I'm going to ask you one more time not to put the book in front of the... Well, now we can't. So, this is 1, 2 tally marks. And soon, once we get to about 5, you're going to see why it's helpful to count with tally marks. It makes things a little bit easier when you're counting lots of things. So, we have the number 2. We have 1, 2 tally marks. How many dots do we have in the tens frame right now? It's 1. We need to make it 2. So we add how many to make 2?
1 more.
1 more. So let's double check. We have 1, 2 dots in our tens frame. Try not to lean on me, please. Makes me shaky. Thanks. Okay. So it's the 2nd day of April. Let's figure out how many days we've been in homeschool. Yesterday was 13, so what do you think today is? 14. Good job. $14. So let's count the numbers. Dante, put your head up, please. Count with me, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've done this 14 times. Does it feel like 14 times? No. We didn't talk about the weather yet. I'm going out of order. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's a mistake.
That's not really a mistake. I'm just going out of order. And it's okay to not do everything in the order.
And for dessert, last night we had a cookie.
We did.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right. The sky looks like yesterday's sky, doesn't it? I am going to check to see if it rained. And here's why. I know it has rained recently because I see some puddly stuff. Now, there's a puddle in my driveway that you can't really see from here. So I'm going to see, I can't really see much in the gutter that's underneath. So let me see if I can make it. Yeah, I'm not good at zooming. You probably can't see this, but there is a puddle in my driveway and there are raindrops in it. So when you see raindrops happening in a puddle, so like splashing in a puddle, you'll usually see a dot and then circles that go around it, like that get really big. That means that it's raining. So we had partly cloudy up. You can, or I don't think.
Well, that's partly cloudy.
But that's not the one for today. Will you actually take that down and find rainy for me?
Why is it rainy today?
That's what the weather decided to do today. Good. So today's weather.
Rainy.
Rainy. All right. Will you do me a favor? Will you sing the Days of the Week song?
I'm making up this one. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday, and there's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and there's Saturday, days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Woo! Thanks.
That's the one that I made up, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And remember, the day of the week is Thursday. All right.
Sticker Thursday.
Sticker Thursday. Because in Dante's class, they get stickers on Thursdays.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. Okay. So let's talk about our schedule for today. We just did calendar. Will you point to calendar for me? Oh, that says schedule. Oh, please keep that on. Please point to calendar. We just did calendar. In a little while, I have a meeting with my class. I'm really excited to see them. And
I'm going to be a little in it.
Yeah.
And when Mama's doing it, I'm going to read with Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
And my name is Dante, so that's why it says Dante and Daddy read. And if you have seen the movie or the book or a library book of it, it's called Ramona and Beezus and Ramona.
Yeah.
Mama has seen it and Daddy.
Yeah. Well, I know there's a newer movie that's come out in the past like 10 to 15 years. There used to be a TV show of it when I was very little. I think it was on PBS. And I used to read the books too. Those were some of my favorite books. And we were actually talking about it, but some of the vocabulary words that are in the Ramona books, I remember because of those books. And every time I hear those words, like the word quarrel, which means like an argument.
And something's called and something they call something else.
I'm going to interrupt you because you interrupted me. I'm going to finish my statement and then you can finish yours. So there are a couple words that I remember from the Ramona books.
Ooh.
And when I hear those words or read those words or say those words, it makes me have pictures of those books in my head. One of those words is quarrel or quarreling, which means arguing or argument or like a fight that you have with your words. Dante, what you learned the word Davenport, which is kind of like a sofa or a couch.
No, it's a sofa.
It's a type of sofa. So it's really cool to read books and then you can look up the words if you don't know what they mean and then you'll remember them forever. So Dante and Daddy are finishing that book. Then we're going to write in our planting journal. We are tracking every couple days the stuff that we planted. And we've had some sprouts and we're excited to look at them. Then we're going to do a science experiment that we ran out of time to do yesterday. Dante doesn't even know what it is. We'll have some lunch, free choice, Lunch Doodles with Mo Willems, our favorite author. We're going to do some math, and you said you wanted to do one of Auntie Cousin Nessa's exercise videos, right?
Yeah.
As long as we have some time, we'll do it.
And we'll do, if we have time, we'll do Go Noodle too.
Yeah. So that's our schedule. It's already going to get kind of messed up because we have a little bit of time between my meeting and all that. But we have... Oh, you switched it around. So we do... Oh, good. You get to see up my nose. So we are going to play it by ear just like we always do. The schedule is a loose guide.
Watch this. You can see my nose.
How nice. Our schedule is basically a loose idea of what we should be doing today. And if we don't do those things, it's okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, you're so funny. You're so hilarious.
Michael, that's funny. Michael!
All right. Bye, guys.
The office.